Ooh.
Welcome back. My name is Theresa, and I'm very much
Fancy hands. Ooh.
I have an awful garbage filthy mouth where sometimes, just sometimes, I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to exit the video here. No harm, no foul. But I'll remember our time fondly. We have an Ipsy unboxing. This is truly a surprise today because your girl over here forgot to make choices because life got in the way. And now I don't know what's in here. I didn't see any spoilers or anything. So this is truly an actual unboxing because I really don't know what's in this. Now, if you have never heard of Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, let me tell you a little bit about it first.
All the faves you love, full size. Glam Bag Plus delivers you 5 personalized full-size beauty products worth over $120 in a themed drawstring bag. Whether you're trying the best and buzziest bands or restocking your supply, there's always so much to love because you get to pick 3 out of your 5 products each month. Glam Bag Plus retails for $25 a month.
Oakley dokley. So let's see what exactly is in here. Oh my God, where the fuck's my wedding ring? Okay, for a second there, I don't need rumors around the internet saying I got a divorce, all right? Oh God. Okay, let's open this bitch up. What the fuck is this stuff? What I can say is that I think the drawstring bag is probably the best thing about this box. So this month's theme is
Flower Power.
the brightest blooms come after the storm. Isn't that the fucking truth? And now it's time to thrive. Go wild with color, flex your glowy skin know-how, and let your show-stopping beauty come alive. I want to meet the person that writes this. I really do. Like, I have a lot of questions. So inside, it's 5 ways to grow your glow. You can use some lavender, some rose, chamomile. Honestly, I'm just bored by reading it, so I'm gonna skip over that. And then on the back of it, there's a little blurb about how Ipsy loves your mom, so that's cool. But there's a giveaway and blah, 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 how it works, whatever, nobody fucking cares. Okay, I am underwhelmed already. Okay, let's start with the thing that looks familiar to me, and that would be the ABH product. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Gel in Soft Brown. This is one way too dark for me. I have used Dip Brow in the past and it is disgusting. This crunchifies my brows. Ew, do you see that? All the product, it looks like it's separated. Hold please. Ugh. It looks so crunchy. Oh God, this is how oh yeah, you see that? Oh yeah. I really hope you see that. It's like a fucking hole and it looks like something's pulsating inside. Anyway, the reason why I don't like this product is because on my brow hair, it crunchifies them and then I get all these like little white things in my brows, kind of like when you use way too much Dep hair gel. So this is not for me. I mean, I think this does a really good job of solidifying things into place, but then it ultimately turns you into a stone goblin. So it's like, not for me, fam. Anyway, I will pass this along. By the way, this retails for $20. Okay, the next thing is from a company called Hanalei, and this is a lip treatment in clear. Okay, all right. So basically this is a full-size product worth $20. What it does is chapped lips don't stand a chance. This protective treatment contains a mega moisturizing blend of nourishing ingredients, agave, aloe, and grapeseed, and kooky butt oils. I don't know what the fuck that is, and I don't think I'm saying that properly. Making it a mainstay in your makeup bag. Honestly, this is something that does interest me, so you know what? Maybe this bag is not a lost cause after all. I have notoriously dry lips, blah, blah, blah. Nobody gives a shit. So I'm gonna fucking use this. So this is gonna stay with me, bitch. I'm actually gonna leave it right on my computer and then I guess I can update you if you care. I don't know. Do you really give a shit? I don't know. If you care, let me know. And if you need me to update you about this product, I will. But I have a feeling you probably don't care. Leave 2 down below if you don't care. Please, I wanna see a sea of 2s. Thanks. Anyway, I'm actually low-key excited about this. The next thing is from Hey Honey, and this is the Open Your Eyes Lifting Eye Serum. I really do like this brand, and the only thing that I've ever tried from this brand has been peeling mask. masks. So I'm kind of curious to try this, especially as an eye cream. This is what she looks like. This retails for $37. This is a full-size product, and this is lightweight yet incredibly powerful. The serum contains a blend of squalene, honey, and green tea extract to help tighten, brighten, smooth, and depuff your eye area. Use it on tired mornings for a wide awake look or to prep your eyes for concealer. All right, so I'm actually intrigued to try this one. So you know what? Maybe we judge this box a little too quickly, okay? Because so far I'm finding something for my dry fucking lips and my dry fucking eyes. So anyway, we're gonna try this and see how this works. Again, leave 2 if you don't care about any of this stuff. All right, let's talk about this palette. What is this brand? I've never heard this brand in my life. Okay, so this is from Seraphine Botanicals. So let's open this one up. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Physicians Formula in a way. I don't know, something about the packaging is just giving me Physicians Formula vibes. Not saying that that's a bad thing. It's just like, I feel like this is something that Physicians Formula would put out. All right, so let's open this bitch up. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is what she looks like. It looks like there's 2 blushes on the top, and then we have a bunch of different eyeshadows on the bottom. So obviously we're gonna swatch this shit. So let's give it a whirl. Let's do the blushes. Ooh, you know, they do feel really nice. They look like kind of luminous blushes. So this should be quite interesting. All right, all right. Those are pretty, I'm not mad at it. Very, very soft watercolor-esque colors. I'm enjoying it. I'm loving it. The formula feels very soft, and it doesn't feel very powdery, so that's good. All right, so let's move on to these eyeshadows. Ooh, all right. We're just gonna swatchy over here.
Oh.
All right, that one maybe I went a little too crazy with. I went a little too crazy with that one. Hold on. Oh, you flaky bitch. Oh, you a flaky bitch. Okay, hold on, I'm just gonna put it up here, the excess. Silver is not my Moschino Bear silver. What can I say? It's very, very glittery. Kind of looks like I jerked off RoboCop a little bit, right? Anyway, okay. Sometimes I disgust myself. There's not really much more to say other than it's an Ann palette and it is what it is. So with that said, this retails for a whopping $42 motherfucking dollars, this face palette. Is it worth $42? I'll let y'all discuss that shit in the comments. But I mean, I feel like that's a strong price. It's a strong price for this. Yeah, okay. I mean, I don't know what world you're gonna get $42 for this. You know, at best, maybe 24. Maybe if we just switch the numbers around, but not 42, sweetie. But anyway, if you do want to see somewhat of a review on this, or if you even fucking care, press 4. Now let me go wash myself off. That sounded really disgusting, but you know what I mean. And last but not least, we have some brushes from Shaina B Miami. So in this set, which by the way retails for a whopping $24.95, you get 5 different brushes in this really pretty chrome pink packaging. It kind of reminds me of like a little bit of the Pat McGrath Divine Rose 2 palette. In a way, maybe it's more fuchsia though than pink. But anyway, this is pretty cute though. So there are 4 eye brushes and then 1 setting brush, which I mean, I'm assuming this is probably like a setting powder brush, but I feel like this could actually be a really nice blush brush, maybe a highlighter brush. I mean, it is a little bit on the thicker side, but we're still gonna give it a whirl. The brush hairs are interesting because on my hand, they kind of feel a little bit stiff, but then when I put it to my face, it actually feels pretty smooth. In any case, you can never have enough brushes in my opinion, so I'm happy to check this out. But this is the first brush and this is the setting brush, followed by a little teeny tiny, ooh, this one does not feel good. Okay, I would never put this near my eye. Wait, okay, no. So this is the pencil brush and the tip of this feels like a little tiny dagger. So I'm actually kind of surprised that this has been okay for putting near the eye. So we're never using this one. Bye. The next one is an all over shadow brush, which, you know, it feels fine. It's just, you know, it's a little bit too floppy for my liking. I like brushes a little bit more firmer. The next one is the tapered blending brush. This brush might be a little bit too big to put in my crease, but as a blending brush, I think I can probably find some use out of it. And then last but not least, we have this teeny tiny precision blending brush, which I appreciate because I am a fan of these like teeny tiny crease brushes, especially when you have hooded eyes like myself. This is definitely something that should be in your arsenal. Now, that's pretty much it. Okay, so we have the brushes, the palette slash face palette, the eye serum, the stupid brow gel, and the lip treatment. So I'm giving this away, keeping some of these, probably getting rid of this one because I feel like this could definitely be a weapon. So we're probably not going to pass that along because knowing me, this will probably be a murder weapon somewhere. Bailey Sarian will have to do a fucking video on it. And next thing you know, the cops will be at my house because my fingerprints were all over it. So we're going to bury this in the backyard like the demon that it is and hope for the best. The lip treatment I'm cool with. The eye serum I'm intrigued by. As for the eyeshadow and face palette, you know, it's fine. It's fine. I don't know, like I'm not really, like my dick wasn't blown off about it, but I felt like some of the shadows were pigmented. The silver was a little too explodey. The blushes felt nice. So I'm gonna try to give this a whirl, and if not, I will pawn it off to my mom and say, here, happy Mother's Day from Ipsy. I know I sound like a piece of shit daughter, but trust me, I took care of that bitch, okay? Probably should stop calling her bitch too. It's fine, she calls me bitch. It's all good. We're a bitch family. Anyway, yeah, this was Ipsy. If I'm gonna be honest, I definitely think, you know, there have been better Ipsy bags, and I'm kind of mad at myself for forgetting to pick my options, especially when I look at some of the options on the website. It appears that I could have got like a Nomad palette, which I've been meaning to try. Nomad Cosmetics. There was a Violet Voss palette. There was products from Purlisse, which I've enjoyed in the past. There was a lot of other things that seemed cooler than what I got in this bag, but that was my fuck up. Anyway, let me know down below if you do get Ipsy, if you got any of these things, or if you got something different. Let me know because I love hearing from you. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, to all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies. Thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, really filthy, trashy, really trashy, garbage boat afloat. I really couldn't do it without you. I love your adorable little delicious faces. Thank you so much for keeping me alive. I really do appreciate it. And if we ever do meet each other, I will hug you for eternity. If you want to know what is currently on my nails, everything will be listed in the description box below, along with if you want to join Ipsy. These are not sponsored, by the way, heads up there. But if you are interested in checking out Ipsy, all the information will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little Manhattan clam chowders later. Bye. Oh, look at me, I'm waving and not touching you. Never mind.